Hey guys, welcome back to tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make cool transitions you might don't know on CapCut apps. First, open CapCut and new project. For example, I'm gonna add this dancing horse video with 6 seconds duration. Click add, and then this is the preview of the video. Okay, and then set this white line in 3 seconds, and then click edit and click split. After that, you can click this button over here, slide to right and click effect, and then you're gonna find the cool effects. So much cool effects over here, and then you can try this one by one. Okay, and this is the black smooth, white smoke, or the shutter camera, particles, whirlpool, glitch, and many more. You can try this on your own video while you do editing. And here it is. That's the tutorial how to make cool transitions you might don't know on CapCut apps. I hope it was helpful for you, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.